Namaste. Long live revolution and appeal to sisters. Women today have taken the firm resolution that they will not remain in the background. For the freedom of their motherland, they are willing to stand side by side with their brothers in every action. However hard or fearful it may be, I boldly declare myself as a revolutionary. Pamphlets with these handwritten words on them were discovered tucked in the shirt of Prithilata Vadedar when the police found her body outside the Pahartali European Club. Prithilata Vadekar was born on May 5th, 1911, in Chittagong, present day Bangladesh. She is an inspiring figure in India's history of revolutionary activism. Her unwavering dedication to the cause of independence from British imperial rule and her remarkable courage in the face of adversity made her one of the first women to take up arms and participate in revolutionary activities. Preeti Lata's journey into the world of revolutionary fervor began at a young age. She was deeply influenced by the revolutionary literature she encountered and was inspired by the active involvement of women in the nation's freedom struggle. While in college, she became a part of Dipali Sangha, a revolutionary group that provided combat training to women and instilled in them a strong sense of political consciousness. Her life took a significant turn when she moved to Calcutta for her higher education and came into close contact with Surya Sen, a prominent leader in Indian Revolutionary Army of Chittagong branch. Her desire to join this male dominated organization was met with skepticism, as many believed that women lacked the determination and fortitude required for daring revolutionary activities. Preeti Lata, along with her comrade Kalpana Dutt, had to undergo rigorous training to prove their commitment and capabilities. The turning point in their struggle came with the Chittagong Armory raid of April 1930, orchestrated by Surya Singh and his associates from IRA. In the aftermath of this daring raid, the authorities cracked down heavily on the revolutionaries. Some were captured and sentenced, while others went underground. During such tumultuous times, when male leaders were under intense scrutiny, women leaders like Preeti Lata had to step up and take the charge. Inspired by the heroic exploits of IRA, Preeti Lata fearlessly embraced her responsibilities. She organized women, gathered critical information from imprisoned revolutionaries while in disguise, distributed revolutionary pamphlets, and secretly collected bomb cases, all the while skillfully evading the relentless pursuits of the police. In 1932, while still in hiding, Prithilata and her comrades devised a plan to launch an attack on the Pahartali European Club, a social club notorious for its racial discrimination. A signboard at the club entrance said, "Dogs and Indians not allowed," reflecting the pervasive racism of the time. Remarkably, at just 21 years old, Prithilata was chosen as the leader of a group of 7 to 10 young men trained to carry out the audacious scenes. On the fateful night of September 23, disguised as a man, she led the attack with unwavering resolve. A fierce gun battle ensued, during which Prithilata was shot in the leg, preventing her from escaping. Rather than surrendering to her captors, she chose a path of unwavering commitment and swallowed a cyanide pill, thereby becoming a martyr for the cause she held dear. Prithilata's sacrifice resonated deeply with the Indian populace, particularly women. Her courageous assault and ultimate sacrifice awakened a sense of determination and defiance among the people. In choosing to end her life on her terms, she opted for a dignified death over a life of degradation. Watch this upcoming episode of Swaraj at 9 a.m. and again at 9 p.m. Sunday on Doordarshan. Watch this episode to witness indomitable spirit of those who fought for India's freedom. Her legacy continues to inspire generations, reminding us of the sacrifices made by countless individuals who dared to challenge the oppressive forces of imperialism in the pursuit of a free nation. Her memory lives on as a symbol of courage, determination, and unwavering commitment to the cause of freedom. Thank you. Like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.